Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making those tough purchasing decisions a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the Creality K1C. Buckle up, because it's about to get nerdy and funny. First up, speed. The Neptune 3 Pro is like that reliable friend who always shows up on time, but never early. It gets the job done, quietly and precisely, at a reasonable pace. Reviewers note that it consistently produces high-quality prints without much fuss. The K1C, on the other hand, is like your friend who just discovered espresso, 600 millimeters per second printing speed, and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. This thing is so fast, it could probably print your next speeding ticket. Users have praised its incredible speed and efficiency, making it a top choice for those who need rapid results. Next, ease of use. The Neptune 3 Pro is pretty user-friendly, with most components pre-assembled. It's like IKEA furniture, but without the emotional breakdown. Many reviewers appreciate its straightforward setup and ease of assembly. The K1C, however, is the epitome of plug and play. It's ready to go in 3 minutes. Just like a microwave burrito, but hopefully less disappointing. Users love its simplicity and the quick startup time, making it ideal for beginners. Now, let's talk extruders. The Neptune 3 Pro boasts a dual-gear direct-drive extruder made of high-quality stainless steel. It's like the James Bond of extruders, smooth, reliable, and oh so dapper. Reviewers highlight its precision and durability. The K1C comes with a clog-free direct extruder that can handle carbon fiber filament. It's like the Hulk. Strong, unstoppable, and probably not a good idea to make angry. Users have had excellent experiences with its robust extruder, particularly for heavy-duty printing. Moving on to smart features. The Neptune 3 Pro has auto mesh bed leveling and a smart resume printing function. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. Reviewers love these convenient features that make printing a breeze. The K1C, though, takes it up a notch with AI LiDAR scanning and an AI camera that recognizes spaghetti failures. Yes, you heard that right. It knows when your print is turning into a pasta nightmare. Mamma mia! Users are thrilled with these advanced features that significantly reduce print failures. Lastly, cooling systems. The Neptune 3 Pro has a pretty solid setup with a widened aluminum heatsink and efficient cooling fans. It's like a good air conditioner, keeps things cool, and prevents meltdowns. Reviewers find it effective in maintaining print quality. The K1C, on the other hand, has an upgraded cooling structure with multiple fans, ensuring your print stays as cool as the other side of the pillow. Users appreciate its enhanced cooling capabilities, especially during long prints. Overall, reviewers find the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro to be a reliable and user-friendly printer that delivers high-quality prints at a budget-friendly price. The Creality K1C, while more expensive, impresses users with its speed, advanced features, and robust performance, making it a worthy investment for serious hobbyists and professionals. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which 3D printer you think takes the cake. Until next time, keep shopping smart and printing those dreams. Product links are in the description.